Gathamuga. In Nepal Bhasa, today's day is also called Gathamuga Chare or Ghantakarna Chaturdasi. In terms of meaning, Ga means house, Tha means pillar, and Muga means strong, whereas Chaturdasi is called Chare in Nepal Bhasa. Every year on the Chaturdasi date of Shravan Krishnapakchya, Gathamuga festival is celebrated. Local people gather, make the effigy, stand up the effigy decorated like a monster Ghantakarna. There is a person also called or known as Azuze who impersonates Ghantakarna by smearing himself with different colors. Azuze is then made up to roam the street with burning torches of hogs begging for donations. Azuze moves around the effigy three times when the volunteers gather together to drag Ghantakarna to a nearby river. While the people are dragging the effigy towards the river, Azu escapes on the way so as nobody can find him. The local beliefs and rituals of Gathamuga Chare. People made their children pass over the burning fire where the Gathamuga is burned. They execute this in the belief that their children will not get into trouble with any evil powers. People also wear wrought iron metal rings on the same day and continues to wear it for another 4 days so that they will be safe from the evil spirit.